Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another limited edition beauty box to share with you. And this is from GLOSSYBOX, and this is the Generation Glossy. So a beauty box for younger people, teens and upwards. Inside contains 11 products. It has a value of £85, can be bought for £20, or if you are a subscriber to the GLOSSYBOX monthly beauty box, you can purchase this box for £15. All links related to this box and any other boxes that they have currently on their website and their subscription, you'll find down below in my description. So underneath this video, you see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on showing you what's inside. So we get a card and it details everything about the product, so I'll refer to this as we go along. This is how it's all wrapped up. I love these little boxes. Now I've got a 15, nearly 16-year-old daughter, and she gets so excited whenever I receive one. I forgot to say at the start, this is kind of gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on your channel. I'm on GLOSSYBOX's PR list. It's always jam-packed, full of products. It's really heavy. There's loads of stuff in there. I really do like this box. So let's see what this one is like then. First up, we've got a product by Feather & Down. This is Sweet Dreams All-Purpose Sleep Balm with calming lavender and chamomile essential oils, and there's 16 grams there. Now we've had lots of products from Feather & Down before in different beauty boxes, mainly their pillow sprays, but never a sleeping balm. That looks lovely. Fortunately for me, my daughter absolutely adores anything to relax herself at night. Sprays, balms, lotions, anything. Yeah, that's nice. That's really nice. You can see balm there. This balm retails for £7. A blend of moisturising vitamin E and relaxing essential oils create a calming fragrance that you can apply to your pulse points to help you ease your mind and encourage a restful night's sleep. So there's that. Next we've got a spray. This is Hawaiian Tropic Summer Dreams Fragrance Mist, Passion Flower, Mango and Musks, and there's 100 mils here. Gorgeous, gorgeous bottle. It's lovely in there. Let's have a smell then. It's got a scent of clean linen as well. Oh, that is so nice. It is really, really nice. I thought it could be on the sweet side, which I don't particularly like. It's all right, but I'm not that keen on really super sweet scents. But it's not, it's just really nice and fresh. That is really lovely. This little mini is worth £6. Infused with passion flower, mango and musks, your perfect summer escape begins right now. Spray on the skin for an exotic scent that'll have you thinking of warmer weather and that'll last from dusk till dawn. Next, we've got a beauty blending sponge by Karina. This retails for £8.50. In a gorgeous pink shade, this beauty blender is perfect for applying your foundation, concealer, liquid blush, bronzer and highlight, getting into hard to reach areas with ease. It'll blend makeup to perfection so you can achieve an ultimate flawless finish. So next we've got Luna by Luna. It's a brow gel. A little brush nip there. This brow gel retails for £12. Never neglect your brows. This clear gel attaches to your hairs to aid in creating beautiful eyebrows, setting and defining brows easily. Just use short upward strokes in the direction of hair growth to define and shape. This is by B Tan. It says, just shut up and sun kiss me. With marula and argan oil, medium to tan, gradual tanning lotion, an everyday body lotion that gives a hint of colour. And there's 30 mils there. This is a brand I haven't heard of before. This is a deluxe mini and it's worth £7.95. Enhance your glorious golden self with this daily moisturiser meets lightweight gradual tan. Key ingredients marula and argan oil help to keep your skin super hydrated while allowing you to develop a medium to tan bronze glow. Oh, this is so cute. Tiny little pouch of Frank Body, the original face scrub. Buffs away dry skin, 8+ uses, and there's 35 mils here. How cute is that? I've tried a few products from this brand before. And yeah, they're nice body scrubs, really messy, but they do work well. They are really nice. So you will either receive this or a Frank Body Glow Mask. Who doesn't have a Frank Body skincare saviour? In this edit, there's 2 must-tries on offer. You'll either receive the brand's famous blend caffeinated body scrub or its ultra hydrating glow mask, both of which work their magic in a matter of minutes, and this deluxe size is worth £4.95. Next, we got a product by Florina, Fermented Skincare. This is a milky cleanser with fermented jasmine and fermented angelica oil. Or is the brand Cosmos Natural? I think that's the name of the brand. Florina is their range. I think so, 200 mils. I have received a few products from this brand in different subscription boxes recently, actually, but I always forget. No, it's Florina. Florina Skincare. It retails for £14.95. It's full size. You will either receive a milky cleanser, which is what I've got, or a cleansing tonic. Both the milky cleanser and cleanser tonic will aid you in removing makeup and impurities from your skin to leave your complexion feeling clean, supple and soft to the touch. Next, we've got a lipstick. This is by Incredible, a lacquer lip tint. Serve up jammy lips in Fruity Feels. That's nice. Oh wow, I wasn't expecting it to be so pigmented. Oh, that's lovely. I love the colour as well. Oh, I'm going to keep that for myself. Oh, that is really, really nice. Yeah, I like that. This is full size and retails for £12. Coat your lips in a sheer blanket of colour with an Incredible Jammy Lips Lacquer Lip Tint, a lighter alternative to full coverage lipstick. This tinted balm releases a nourishing burst of moisture as it envelopes your pout in a lightweight wash of colour, of pigment. Then we've got the Beauty Crop Palm Balm, Lip and Cheek Balm and Colour in shade Mauve Wave. It's the outer packaging. Oh, that's a gorgeous colour. I'm not going to put my finger in it though, as I'm going to pass that on to my daughter. Yeah, that's lovely. I don't know why. Instinct. Got to sniff it. Doesn't smell of anything. This is full size and retails for £7. This buttery cream formula blends seamlessly and will nourish, condition and hydrate the skin, all while bestowing the most gorgeous vacation glow too. So there's that. Next we got a shower gel by Below. This is Pink Melon, made with love, creamy shower foam. 200 mils there. Oh, pink melon, that sounds amazing. Oh, I can sort of smell a melon. Oh, that's so nice. So nice. She will love this. This retails for £3.99. There are multiple gorgeously scented options up for grabs in the box, including Cocoa Cocktail, Tasty Donut, Pink Melon and Fizzy Berry, which each have their own skin loving benefits too. Which one will you receive? So we've got a shower foam. And lastly, we've got a little sample from Ariana Grande and it's her perfume REM. 1.5 mils there. Let's see. Let's have a sniff. I haven't smelt this before. I gotta be honest, it smells like cleaning spray. Oh, that's not good at all. But I am fussy. I am super fussy. It's only a little sample anyway, so it's fine. Maybe my daughter would like it. I don't know. It says a new fragrance. Yeah, this is an extra added treat. A 30ml bottle will cost you £27. So those are all the products inside this limited edition Generation Glossy box. The cost of the box is £20 or £15 if you are a subscriber. It has a value of £85 and it contains 11 beauty products. For value, this is absolutely amazing. There's loads of products in this box. Face scrubs, sleep balms, brow gels, shower gels, perfumes, beauty blending sponges, tanning moisturiser, lipsticks, cheek and lip balms. Yeah, it's just jam-packed, absolutely jam-packed. I know my daughter's going to love it and I don't know, I really want this. But yeah, as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Do you normally buy the Generation Glossy boxes? Or are you watching this for the first time wondering, oh, shall I, shan't I? I'd love to hear. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.